This is Good Morning Mumbai, and you're with Rishi K.
Radio 1.
Saurabh Mittal has proved to be a revelation in these times of last-minute scurry to file income tax returns, 31st July being the last date. Good morning, Saurabh.
Good morning, Rishi.
Saurabh, now, the Form 26AS, Greek and Latin and lots of numbers for a lot of people. Simplify that for us. What really is the Form 26AS?
Right. So, Form 26AS is one of the most important documents that you should look at while preparing or filing your income tax returns. Now, Form 26AS reflects all the income tax received by the income tax department with respect to you, or we can say against your PAN number.
Okay.
This is a tax credit statement which shows TDS payments, voluntary tax payments made by you. Form 26A should match all your TDS certificates issued to you by the deductor or your employer. If there is a mismatch, you may have a tough time in getting your income tax refund. In fact, income tax department only considers the amount shown in Form 26AS as tax received by them. So if your TDS amount is not reflected, then they might even demand you to pay the tax liability because as per them they have not received the tax.
You know, Saurabh, it's surprising that you would bring this up because other than my work at the radio station, I also moonlight as a voiceover artist. And very often when I'm paid my fees to give my voice to, let's say, a commercial or a promo, the person who's giving me the check actually tells me that he's deducted TDS. And at the end of the year, it doesn't show up in the Form 26AS online. And often I've had to pay that out of my own pocket because the income tax department has just not accepted it. So I think this is a lesson in point that we've got to be very, very careful to see that the deductor, the person who's paying the check to us and deducting that TDS, is actually depositing it with the government of India.
Correct. So it is illegal on their part if they have not deducted it. Most of the times there is an issue with the government software system where the tax which is deducted is not shown. So if there is a mismatch, it is always advisable that you contact the person who has deducted the tax at source, that is the TDS, and ask them that there is a difference, and they might then get in touch with the income tax department and get those things updated.
Now, do we have to register ourselves to view the Form 26AS?
Yeah, so as I told you, it is the most important document, as this is the time when you're filing your returns or collecting all the documents for your return filing. You can register yourself on a website called onlineservices.tin.nsdl.com.
I'm going to repeat that. It's www.onlineservices.tin.nsdl.com. nsdl.com.
nsdl.com.
And you will be able to view your Form 26AS. Any parting thoughts, my friend?
Yeah, so we were just talking about income tax refunds, and I want to quote F.J. Raymond. He said, next to being shot at and missed, nothing is really quite as satisfying as income tax refund.
It's like getting your life back again. Very well put. Saurabh at securelifeindia.com, SAURABH at securelifeindia.com. That's his email ID, should you wish to correspond with him, and feel free to do so. Saurabh, thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow for another session.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Rishi. Bye.